I don't like seeing this when I'm watching my own videos or when I'm watching anyone else's videos, because another tip for you, if you wear glasses, I want you to see the difference of this. Now, most of my videos in the beginning had glare in the glasses just like this. I don't like seeing this when I'm watching my own videos or when I'm watching anyone else's videos, because the eyes are so important to see the expression. You're speaking from your soul. Your essence is coming out. So you don't want to stop that. You don't want to interfere with that with glasses that have glare in it. This can be stopped a couple different ways. You get glasses that are non-glare, which work a little bit better, but now at this point I would have to almost adjust my lighting, because looking straight in, you can still see the ring light. So I would adjust my lighting. It's a little bit better, but I'll still have to watch my face a little bit, because if I start going up and around, it's going to show in the glasses, but the glasses are much better. Also, if I am looking outside with my natural lighting, the sliders, these glasses that are not the non-glare get glare in them. So anytime I'm filming or I'm on a Zoom call or a live stream, I always grab my non-glare glasses, because even if I do have the light from the camera or the light from the natural light, the sliders, there's still glare in my glasses. Anytime I have to be online wearing glasses, I go for my non-glare glasses. So that's one tip that I would highly recommend. If you wear glasses, if you can get non-glare glasses, that's number one. Don't use the ring lights right in front of you. You don't want lighting right in front of you. This could be turned off, and I could put two of these by my side. So then I would have one coming in from the side like this, right side of the ring light, and then one on the left side of the ring light. So there really won't be a light straight in. It's fine if I don't have glasses on, because catch lights in your eyes are attractive. They give life to your eyes. So the catch lights are great if you're not wearing glasses, but if you're wearing glasses, no good. Also, the second thing I see a lot of people do is talking to themselves. They're talking to their eyes. They're looking at themselves. Well, I'm not looking at you if I'm looking at me. I'm looking at you now, and that means I'm looking in the camera of my phone. I'm talking to you. I'm not talking to me. But you can see when people are like looking off to the side, they're talking, oh, hey, how's it going, everybody? And you're like, where are you looking? This happens on Zoom calls too, usually because everyone has the pictures of people not right underneath where the camera is, because maybe there's a presentation going on. And then we're talking to the people looking down here when really we're right here. So be careful of where you're looking at the camera. Look at the camera's lens, not at yourself. If you're talking to yourself and watching yourself, you can see the difference, right? I'm looking at myself. I'm talking to myself. I think I'm talking to you, but I'm talking to me. Where are my eyes? It doesn't look normal. Oh, there you are, right? You can see the difference.